OMESER Dual Water Tank Cordless Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Wireless Handheld Floor Washer. 3-in-1 Wet, Dry and Auto Clean, Edge Cleaning, Smart Home Multi-Surface. Experience effortless whole home cleaning with the OMESER Cordless Wet, Dry Vacuum Cleaner, designed for modern living spaces. This all-in-one solution seamlessly handles dry debris, liquid spills, and everyday messes across tile, hardwood, laminate and more, while delivering a self-cleaning experience and powerful filtration for healthier floors and air. Key features and benefits: wireless freedom. Clean without being tethered by cords. Ideal for moving from room to room or cleaning upstairs. Large dual water tank system. Separate tanks for clean and dirty water ensure you mop with fresh water and contain the mess, improving hygiene. 3-in-1 Wet and Dry Cleaning. Vacuums dry debris, sucks up liquids and performs mopping or washing in one pass. No need to sweep then mop. Edge cleaning capability. Designed to reach into corners and along baseboards with ease, ensuring comprehensive coverage and no dust left behind. HEPA filtration. Captures up to 99.97% of particles, improving indoor air quality by trapping allergens, dust and pet dander. Auto suction, smart surface adaptation. Adjusts suction automatically across floor types and mess types for more efficient cleaning. Typical specifications, subject to model, region. Feature detail. Cleaning modes: dry debris vacuuming plus wet spills plus washing, mopping. Tank system: large clean water tank plus dirty water tank. Filtration: HEPA filter capturing fine particles. Battery, cordless yes, wireless handheld. Suitable floor types: hard floors, tile, sealed wood, laminate, vinyl. Edge, corner reach designed for tight edges, baseboards. Smart features: auto suction adjustment, status display. Ideal for homes with multiple hard floor rooms, pet owners who deal with fur, dander and trapped in mess, families with kids and frequent spills, users who dislike switching tools, vacuum right pointing arrow, mop right pointing arrow bucket. Anyone who values hygiene, cordless convenience and smart cleaning.